Jeep JK side mirror lens replacement. Mine's a 2016. This should work for other JKs. Rotate. Push the lens all the way down. Get your little fingers in here and pull out. Snap it off. Mine is heated, so I need to disconnect these two wires. Old lens off. I got this one off Amazon, EAP. I'll post a link to it below. There may be others out there. Maybe it gets you started. Came with the heated lens. Did come with these spot mirrors if you're into that. Came with trim tool. I didn't need it. Quick comparison of the EAP lens with the old one. The new one on the left from EAP does have more of a parabolic view. It's not bad, but you can see the one on the right compared to the one on the left, you see more. Maybe you like that. I'm going to give it a shot because that's what I ordered. However, on the back side from the old lens, we do need this metal piece right here. This is an anti-vibration piece, and unfortunately the new one didn't come with that, so we're going to swap that out. Looks like there is a little tab in there we need to release to get this to slide out. I'm going to try this little flathead screwdriver. Oop. I guess that works too. The ear on that piece broke off on the old mirror, no problem. There is the little metal piece we need. Slide back into here on the new mirror. Perfect. Reverse the process, plug in our heat wires. Now you can see the little clips on the new mirror all the way around. We're just going to start from the bottom and pop it into place. Make sure we got them fully seated. There we go. New mirror installed. Easy peasy. The EAP mirror does have a bit of a wide angle lens on it compared to the factory. So there's the original. You can see it's not bad, but just something to be aware of with this brand of replacement. Post up your comments down below. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate a like, subscribe, and hype. I think that's a new thing. Boom.